Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix mic not working and audio issues in CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to check in-game settings. You need to press gear icon, audio, and make sure that audio device is on default here or the right one. And then make sure that it's not unmuted and has some volume here in master volume. Mine is muted because I'm just recording video, but for you should be 100 or a little bit less. And then also LR resolution, make sure also the volume is a bit here. And then VOP volume is also 100. And then enable voice is also not disabled, but press to use mic. And that's pretty much it in game, what you need to do here. And then you just need to go to on your computer settings. So let me save changes here so I can minimize the game. And then you just need to go to device manager. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, should be sound, video, and game controllers here, and update your hardware here. If you don't know what exactly to update them all. Just it will take you a few seconds to do so. And then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to sound. Make sure that the right input and output device is selected here and here. And then you need to go to more sound settings, and not more sound settings. First, you need to go to volume mixer and make sure that Counter-Strike 2 is also has here proper sound and it's not on mute here, right? And then select default devices or the right ones here. And then what you need to do here next is to go to sound again, go to more sound options here. Make sure that the right device is set to default here. And then if we expand it here, make sure that that's also not muted and has the right amount of sound. Make sure that is also allow applications to take exclusive control of this device is selected, and give the exclusive mode applications priority also is selected here. And then if we go to recording your mic, make sure that also is set default. Then you need to make sure that it's not unmuted, and also these two options is selected, and that should fix your problem. And if it's not, then just reconnect your microphone, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not, and that should do it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.